First off, to get to your engine oil cooler, your coolant distribution block, you will remove the top plastic panel shroud, total 7 plastic clips. You'll need some kind of clip removal or 2 screwdrivers to pop up the clip, and you will be able to pull it out. Those 4 filaments right there. Loosen the radiator shroud screws, and there are 2 10mm bolts holding on one side and 1 10mm on the other side. And then next you'll be removing the fan itself. So you can see I've kind of finagled an extension for the 12mm. The fan wants to spin a little bit. It's best to try to get some kind of bar or something to hold it still. Go ahead and loosen the lower radiator and upper radiator band clamps. Pliers that can stretch out. Make sure to unclip the 2 hoses out of the holder. A little tech tip, in order to get these hoses, if they've been on for quite a while, you might want to take a pair of pliers, give it a little twist, and they should loosen up there. I went ahead and loosened the TPS, the throttle position sensor, just to get it out of the way. Take this bottom hose off. A lot of coolant will spill out, so go ahead and remove it, and then just be aware that it's going to drop down, and make sure you have something to catch it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. There's a 4th bolt right there, and 1 over here is a 5th bolt. Okay, so I just pulled off the inlet pipe, and it was really hard. So make sure to pull the bottom first to break the seal. Then you're going to notice a lot of coolant come out from the lower half of the block. Then from the top, you're going to pull straight out. You're going to see that there's 2 gaskets we got to take off. The one on the upper inlet pipe, and on the bottom there's one down there to replace. So make sure you have brand new ones on the end. That way you're not stuck reusing the old stuff. I'll go ahead and read part number for the gaskets. And this is the old inlet pipe. It's missing some ports, so we're gonna go ahead and replace that. I also have a new thermostat, so that's going in as well. Do your best to clean all the mating surfaces. So I took a little bit of Scotch-Brite and just wiped it down, acetone, and I washed it off with some distilled water. If you're gonna change out your thermostat, it's a good time to do it, and the water pipe will be facing downwards, and I torqued it to 80 inch-pounds. Get all 5 bolts on, and then tighten them down to 80 inch-pounds. Do that equally like on a star pattern. I removed my oil filter to install the oil cooler. You're going to have to use a T60 bit or a T12 hex in order to get the union off. T60 happens to work and is a little more available than the T12 Allen bit, so I went with that. And you're just going to go ahead and loosen it all the way. Alright, so there's the union that came out. I'm going to torque the new one to about 25 foot-pounds. Give everything a quick wipe down with some brake clean or acetone. You just go ahead and place it up top. You're going to see there's a little stopper fixture that the washer is in place. And for this job, you're going to need a 30mm socket or 1 3/16 to tighten down this cup. Just run the last 2 lines for the coolant, and I'll list the part numbers below, what you need to get. Otherwise, that should be it. And then we just top off the radiator, install the clutch fan and shroud.